Today we're gonna be doing a video about mini tornadoes, and as we can see, this is a boosted server, and these tornadoes may start weak, but as you look at them over time, they will get bigger. Watch this, it's gonna grow to be massive. So if you look under the map, why is the heading? It's right now growing, as you can see, and then watch it turn into a massive wedge. It's already sidewinder-ish. Watch this. In 3, 2, 1. It's gonna turn into a wedge. As you can see, it's turning into a cone. Now it's a wedge. As you can see by its massive size. It's already making that town look small. And this is around bigger than the normal avatar, as me over here, you can see me, my headlights in my car. Also, I didn't see that actually. They have a rope on the back. Anyways, back to the tornado. Oh, okay, that is a wedge now. Okay, we gotta go over here. Boy. Yeah, we might go flying with this one. Might as well reset. Okay, now another one, wind foot, which should be 10 times as tankier, but according to wedge logic, if I try to spawn this, I will go flying. Okay, so for now, we're just gonna be watching it. It's nighttime though, so we can't. Look at this magnificent wedge. Holy, it's bigger than its own cloud. Look at this. Holy. My character over there just chilling in the darkness. Anyways, I think I can spawn my vehicle now. Hopefully. Let me try. Scroll down. Next, we're gonna do the TIV. TIV actually has the FOV, but it requires you to move. So that's that. And to prove this is not, I don't own that game pass. Look right there. I don't own the admin commands. As you can see, this is pure just luck, because high thermals, which in an actual game, these thermals would literally create wedges like these. Anyways, let's get a cinematic of this beautiful Tiv design. Okay, let's see. So, first we do have the good spikes. Doesn't have the pointy stubs at the end though. We do have the front, which is really realistic. I like that. The lights don't really work. No backlights. Where is it? No backlights. There is backlights, just doesn't want to appear. There's this probe. There's the IMAX, and yeah. Let's see. Both sides have it. We have our wheels. Yeah, pretty good design overall. The wheels would be probably one of the most realistic aspects. Is this game's overly really good on weekends too, cause weekend boosts, meaning you could get high tornadoes if you want to grind the game, which grinding, eh, it's easy, but sometimes hard. Like, to get this, you would have to definitely do a boosted. You have to wait till the weekend, cause it's like a bunch of miles per hour to get it, which is really annoying sometimes to get, especially in Publix. Publix have like 10 cape. I don't know if that's not so old. So yeah, we could look around. For now, guys, I'm sorry. I'm not really there at a point where I could, where I'm good at editing, where I could add video. Wait, actually, I do know how to do that. Okay, skip, hold on. A quick little skip, guys. Y'all didn't see that. Okay, back. New tornado. It's gonna be nighttime, so this is gonna be a hard tornado to intercept. As we can see, it's right now. Damn! For that small of a tornado, 400? Okay, let's go rush over there. Oh. Okay, we're getting in front of this. We might go flying, but I believe in the TIF. Next. What happened? Bruh. So we're gonna act like that never happened. That tornado just appeared, then disappeared. So yeah, that was the first successful video. I'll stop it right here, because over here is a good position to stop it. Alright, bye guys. Hopefully this works. Oh, misclick. Bye bye guys. Have a good day or night wherever you're watching this from. Bye bye.